So magandang gabi mga ka-explorer. Andito kami ngayon ni Boy Tigas sa isla. Ito yung nahuli namin mga ka-explorer. Ayan. Ayan, may hipon, samaral, alimasag. So sari-sari mga lods. So pupood trip namin to ni Boy Tigas. So laga lang yung gagawin naming luto dito ni Boy Tigas. So ayan mga lods, may nahuli rin kaming alimango. So dalawang pirasong alimango yan mga ludi. So ayan, tinatali na ni Boy Tigas kasi hindi namin isasama sa pagluto yan. Kasi sasawag namin sa gulay na yan guys, langka. Sarap sa gulay yan, pansahog, lasa. Dalawang alimango na tsamba ni Boy Tigas. Oh. Hindi malaki-laki itong isa na ito. Chef Boy Tigas. Ayan, malapit na maluto yan. So ayan guys, wala kasi kaming magawa ni Boy Tigas, kaya naisipan namin mag-food trip dito sa isla. Kasi gusto naming kumain ng mga seafoods. Kaya nangilaw kami saglit ni Boy Tigas.
Ano pa kaming pandesal?
Oh, baka luto na yan. Ayan guys, oh, may dala pa kaming buko.
Ano? Oh.
Dalawa yan. So ayan na guys, luto na. Wow, sarap naman yan. Yun yung pusit oh. Nakakatakam yan guys. Ayan na. Wow, sarap yan. Siguradong malasa yan. Pang hinihintay natin, ibuga na.
Sarap ng crop.
Ay. Great.
Tarik dulu niya guys, nanapak na.
Yan sa lahat ng ating subscriber, saka sa mga silent viewers din. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating channel. Thank you guys. Sarap guys. Yung tatawa namin medyo maanghang.
Kawan namin, oh. Kawalan na itong kawan.
Seafood. So ayan guys, tapos na kaming kumain. So isusunod na natin tong dessert. Yan, buko.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And
Bubuk sa riwang sa riwa.
signs.
Sarap yung riwang.
This really happening. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
Ba?
I can't be too
Tulad nito.
sure, but one day I'll be
Ng buhok. Minsan, meron buhok.
yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I don't believe I always should have stayed.
Rob.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this
Hindi pa sa namin dahil namin na biro. Kasi sana ito papak mo.
life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
So ayun na nga guys, tapos na kami kumain nila Boy Tigas at syempre ayan, nabusog tayo. Lalo na yung buko, napakasarap guys. Promise. Simot yung seafoods na minokbang namin. Ayan oh. 'Di ba? Sulit.